You know,
that's amazing.
That was one of the video because it's something that happened that we didn't want it to happen. But
just tell us what you did here then.
What I did here is simply put all the measurement from Anne's kitchen. I followed a very specific recipe, and I'm spinning this machine to prepare my dough for mandazi, as I like to call it, what man does. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be one of a kind. It's really spinning fast.
You are the one who added
the speed. Do I need to take it slower?
I think 2 is okay.
2 is good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think
I'm learning how to use a KitchenAid machine, you know. Gotta prepare to know how to make a good meal. So, and mandazi is especially. So, hapo kwa mandazi tutakuwa tumegonga leo. Very nice.
Okay. What are you doing?
I am boiling meats.
No, unakuanga. You are a comedian. You are boiling meat?
I'm boiling meats. So, chemsha.
Are you going to?
Tunatengeneza chemsha kwa sababu nyama huku iko fake. Sasa sijaweka maji lakini nakaa nimeweka maji. So, wacha tuone mahali itafika.
Yeah.
Hapa tuko na keki.
What is that? Tuko na keki. Hebu fungua tuone keki. Nani kama hiyo keki inaungua? Iko sawa. In fact, I need to reduce. We are having our cake, yes, and what here? What is this? Oh,
spinach.
Wow.
Mixed.
Na
onions. Inakula na ugali. Yeah, nimemaliza kazi yangu, nimepika, nimekata fruits for the fruit salad.
Now you are done. And we are still waiting for all this. Chef. Hiyo hata hatukuwa tunatupa. Unarusha ugali hapo, unakorota. Unakula kila kitu. Kuja unifanyie hivyo by the way. Kuja. Enda.
Inaitwa nini? Osuga. Hapa kuna ugali.
Ni kama inaungua bana.
Hii kuon ni ile mzuri. Acha tuone kama itastick kwa ukuta.
Huyu unaonaga akifanana na Obina.
Acha tuangalie. Wewe piga picha.
Aya!
Haifai kusikilia ukuta.
I thought it may.
Acha bwana hapo kata nini?
Alex, oh yeah. Kwa hivyo hiyo ugali haijaiva?
No, hatuongezi unga. Tunafaa kugeuze. Saidia chini kuja juu na ya juu iende chini. Unaelewa? Unasika. Have you understood that one?
Okay.
Omera, if you're cooking professionally, if you are the engineer of the kitchen, you gotta be engineer. You cannot be regular man. How many years later?
Na usisahau kazi yako hapa na hii nayo ni nini? Asisahau. But we need to add some. Hiyo sijaifanya Alex. Na imestiki mara moja tu. This is what we enjoy in America. Oh, this guy is here.
I think it's the onions. Sweet.
Wewe mnafanana na Obina. Si unamjua?
Namsianga
Even the way he talks. Unafanana kabisa. By the way, he should see you.
Yeah, we should talk.
He should talk. Hiyo ugali imeiva, ndo unasabia gima yako Hiyo ugali imeiva vizuri. Okay. So nizime. Food many poor families can afford. So the cost of maize flour is more than the cost of wheat flour.
Oh, this is wheat.
This is wheat. This is wheat. Maize is what Alex is cooking there. So it's for ugali.
Right.
And you see that's what we have for our kids.
So ugali is
Kenya.
a
It's
staple.
a staple food. Many families, the poor of the poorest can afford to buy. But when this 2 kg of maize flour, when they are selling it at 250 Kenya shillings, that's a lot of money. And many people
Used to
like
be 100.
it used to be 90. It used to, when we were there, it used to be 90 shillings. Like 2019, before I left, it used to be 90 shillings.
When I was there in 2011, it was much cheaper, right?
Oh, 2011, yeah. 2011, even 50, even 60 shillings. Yeah, yeah. But today, oh my goodness, everything is just high. So, and also this one, because you will have to buy oil and so many things, and it uses gas, it is more costly to cook this thing. This thing, you want to cook it maybe during holidays in Kenya. Like now, in Easter, during Easter holidays, many families will be cooking this. Yeah. But for our children, that by grace, we used to cook chapati every week.
Not every day.
Not every day. Every week.
I thought chapati was every day.
Oh no, it's every week, which is also something,
Eating all this too.
Oh, look. Hey, Alex. Me, I'm surprised. This guy knows how to cook like this. He's cooking ugali then like a typical professor. A typical, I don't know even what to call him.
Auntie, hii ni kubadilisha vizuri sana.
Mpaka unaichukua unaigeuza.
Geuza ile design,
Ile design.
Yeah, professionally.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
You
It's
can,
good, but then it looks really good. This is very nice.
you will appear in my video. Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Oh, yeah.
Or somewhere in Karen. Bro. Si moto, by the way.
So utajuaje imeiva kabisa?
Sasa hii
Finally.
ukipatia 2 minutes. According to engineer, this one will be ready.
Victor yako nayo tunaipatia dakika ngapi?
Hii itachemka in 30 minutes.
30. La 30.
30 pekee.
Okay, na moto iko juu kabisa.
Gani hiyo?
Hiyo moto ya 30 minutes. By the way, I miss my meat in Kenya. I miss my meat in Kenya. That's the taste that I miss.
Aya.
Okay, guys. We already mixed our dough.
Okay.
So now we are just rolling. We cut into 4 pieces. So now we are rolling into what? A large what? Complete for me.
Flat
English
round.
is Englishing.
English is finishing.
English. English was not our first language.
Kwanza na meli.
Yeah, it came with the ship. So we just
And even fish did not understand.
like this, and then we will cut now into our pieces. By the way, we are done.
Yeah?
We are done with the first batch.
Okay.
But wait until we cut,
Okay.
and then we heat oil,
Okay.
and we are done.
Wow, that looks very impressive.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this one is, oh Nema, give me the small knife. The small, you can get it from the right? Yes. Is it right? Yes. Yes or no? Okay, so here we just
Make sure your knife is dry always.
it is. You just cut into
Wow.
just that,
Perfect.
So now we should have our oil ready
Okay.
to dip, to
Ah.
be fried.
Wow.
As simple as this.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, all this dough just creates so many pieces.
I mean,
There will be enough.
yeah.
Yeah, done. So we will show them the
The final result. Thank you.
mandazi.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, bye.
Do you?
Do you cook, Granny? How picky! I'm glad we had something different.
You're a fast man.
And this is kachumbari.
Oh, they're from South Africa.
Kachumbari. Umeweka pilipili kwa kachumbari? Joy, you put some
Oh no,
pepper.
I didn't put some.
We have them in the, if you want. Okay. There is a skooma here. Skooma.
You were tired.
We binge watched the Hunger Games series during work today.
Okay.
That's how unbusy it was.
And chicken here. And beef. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to have this beef. Victor ameipika vizuri. Wow. What is
The ugali.
oh wow. Victor, na uchunge hii kiti isikuangushe. Ni ile yenye ina roll. Sioni kama iko sawa, haijaianguka, lakini mimi nikikalia na inaweza niangusha. Inaweza enda na mimi. Itakuwa sawa. Kuna shai by the way, yes. Na nimeifunika hii shai. Hebu niifunike. Tea, Kenyan tea and mandazi.